everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do pretty much a specialty brush design. I'm going to be using a number 10 Low Cornell, number 7930 Flora brush, along with a number 10 and a number 4 Black Gold by Dynasty. These are fountain brushes. I always have a hard time remembering the name. I will put the links down below my video, so if you want to purchase any of them, some of them will be affiliate links and some will just be actual links to put you to their website. And then my half Low Cornell 7730 Ara brush and my fine liner by Westonia. I just thought I would do just a quick, am I getting that on there? Yes. A quick painting tutorial today for you. Using Thicket, and all my paints are FolkArt paints. Apple Red, a mixture of multi-surface and enamels, Moon Yellow, and Happy Green. Alright, so minimal paint, which is great. Although unfortunately I'm doing this with all specialty brushes, so sorry about that, but I just wanted to do something fun today. So I'm going to dip my brush into the Moon Yellow. And I want it to have coverage, but I want it just to be more of the circle and not a solid dot. So I'm just going to place these ever so often. And you can do minimal pressure, I should say, or maximum, which I think will fill it in more. And I'm trying to spread these out a little bit because I will be creating petals around them. And if you know me, know my painting, I do like to have, I'm trying to figure out where to put this, have odd numbers. Alright, so you can fill those in more if you want them to be more solid. I'm fine with the way they are. So I'm going to take my little guy here, stick him into the Happy Green, and I'm going to pounce him a little bit because I don't want it to be, again, I don't want it to be a solid circle. I just want it to be a little piece to put on in the center. And come down here, hopefully you can see all this. Sorry, trying to make sure you can here. Alright, so just a little unusual center. Nothing fancy, very easy. If you're new to my channel, that's what the whole intent for me is to create designs that are very simple for beginning painters. Alright, so I'm just sticking my Ara brush into the Apple Red. And then I'm just going to come around and lightly just pounce or touch. Doesn't have to be fully covered. I like it to be just very loose. If you want it to be, you know, more solidly covered, as far as, you know, like some of these are very faint, then just go back over it again. I'm not worried about that. Again, I'm not putting a lot of pressure, I'm just barely touching because I want to keep the petals open. And I'm trying not to touch the center. If you do, it's not a biggie. It'll just pull some of that color into your design. Now this design, because it's not covered real well as far as the thickness of the paint, I probably wouldn't recommend this on like a drinking glass, wine glass, beer glass, that kind of thing. I would say for bottles or vases, something that doesn't require a lot of holding and sweating from the drink would be best. Alright, so then I'm going to take my liner brush, stick it into my paints, and I'm doing both of the greens, the happy greens and the thicket, and I can come in here and tap or pick up color as I want or as I feel I need. And I'm just going to come through here and put my stem in. I'll go through it again, and then I can attach my florals, the actual flowers, to the stem as I go through. And I can go over these a few times just to make sure I have good coverage. Again, with it being on a bottle, I'm not quite as concerned as I would be if I was doing this on a drinking glass. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is take my Flora brush, dip it into the greens, and this is just going to be very, very, very simple. Again, that's my intent. I'm just touching the tip. I can come up here, touch down. I did pull in some of the red. This, come up here. Doing 2s or 3s, up to you. I'm just tipping it. As you're going, if you feel like you got too much paint in it, just wipe it off a little bit and continue on. So it's basically just a touch, the tip, pulling it up. Touch tip, pull it up. And I try to create things that are very easy. Finally, what I'm going to do is touch into my greens again. You could always add some yellow if you wanted to, but I'm just going to go in and just very loosely put in the stems, attaching these little leaves to the stems. And it's just not a difficult design whatsoever. Oops, kind of missed my mark on that one, but that's okay. Because you can actually, you know, come through here, and I like to sometimes just kind of add a little bit. Well, that one's there, I missed that one. Just little pulls out from them. Just like that. And there you have it. Pretty darn easy, right? Anyone can do this. Anyone can do this. If you have the right brushes, you can create this design. Alright, I hope you like this quick video. If you do, give me a big thumbs up. New to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And prior to leaving, if you would take a moment to share this video on your social network, just hit the share button underneath the video. It'll give you the options of where you can share it, and you're good to go. Alright, thanks again for taking the time to view my video. Until the next time, please stay safe and healthy, and you have a good one.